Hey everybody, George Chamberlin here, watching your dollars on this Wednesday. It's the 11th of April, and it looks like we're going to try to snap out of this losing streak we've been in. 5 sessions in a row to the downside, and yesterday was the worst day. Dow dropping 213 points. In all the carnage yesterday on Wall Street, and that's kind of a dramatic word to use, and the selling that we had on Wall Street yesterday, one stock was trading higher, and that was Apple. I want to show you the Apple chart here, and I do talk about Apple a lot, but it deserves it. This is a 5-year chart of Apple stock, and it was this is where are we looking here? Goes back to 2007, and so back then we were looking at Apple at about what are we looking at here? At about $100 a share. Okay, so then we've just been bouncing around here. Then all of a sudden it goes hyper in here. And yesterday, for a brief time, and here's the Apple today is trading at $633 a share. It's up about $5 today. But for a brief time yesterday, the stock got up to $644 a share. A random number, but at that moment in time, based upon the number of shares of stock that Apple has, its overall market value got above $600 billion. I mention that only because it was a first. Never before in history has any company had a market value of over $600 billion. Apple was the first to do that yesterday. It took less than a month to go from $500 a share, or from a market value of $500 billion to a market value of $600 billion. It's staggering the way money flows in here. Good market, bad market. Apple seems to be the place where a lot of people want to be. There have been recent forecasts that $1,000 is very likely, $1,000 a share for the stock. Time will tell, but it certainly has been a great American success story, no doubt about that. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlin. Have a good one.